Hello everyone, my dear gamer friends. Today I'm going to introduce you to a platform that opens the doors to the gaming world wide open. A true treasure trove of fun and variety, CrazyGames. Yes, you heard that right. CrazyGames is a fantastic site where you can access thousands of games for free directly from your web browser. Here's how it works. Just type CrazyGames into Google and there it is. The moment we enter the site, we're bombarded with games. Looking for action? Got it. Want to solve puzzles? That's there too. Racing games, sports games, games for girls, games for boys. Whatever you're looking for, it's here, my friends. Take blocks.io for example. Minecraft fans, gather around. This is a super fun game where you can let your creativity shine. And you can hang out online with your friends. Or maybe you're craving more action? In that case, Hazmob FPS is just for you. It offers an online FPS experience right in your browser, and the graphics are quite impressive, aren't they? Need a little break to unwind? Simple yet addictive games like Ragdoll Archers are waiting for you on CrazyGames. Grab your bow and arrow, hit the targets, and it's all just one click away. Simulation fans, don't worry, you're not forgotten. With Supermarket Simulator, you can run your own store. Work the cash register, stock the shelves. It's incredibly detailed and fun. As you can see, CrazyGames is truly ambitious when it comes to game variety. Let's take a quick look at the categories. Action, adventure, puzzles, racing, sports. You're guaranteed to find something for every taste. Take the adventure games category for instance. There's so much to explore. Dive into fantastical worlds or embark on adventures set in real life. It's your choice. Strategy games are a must-have. Put your intellect to work. Develop tactics in dozens of strategy games available on CrazyGames. Shooter game enthusiasts aren't left out either. Join online battles or hone your skills solo. The action never stops. Sports game lovers will also find a wide range of options. Football, basketball, billiards, whatever sport you're into, you can find its game on CrazyGames. And let's not forget the trending.io games. These fast-paced, competitive, and easily playable games are plentiful on CrazyGames. Finding games is super easy. You can browse by category or simply type the name of the game you want into the search bar. Find it in seconds and start playing. Now, shall we play a little? I'm trying out Feudal Wars for strategy lovers. It's a medieval-themed, tactic-based game. Let's see how I do. Our main strategy is to manage units with tactical precision. Surround the opponent at the right time. Utilize the core mechanics and dynamics typical of RTS games. This makes the gameplay enjoyable and engaging. As you can see, the game flows smoothly and is really fun. It also offers decent strategic depth. For a browser game, it's quite impressive. Now, it's time for some action. We're moving on to Hazmob FPS. It's time to face off against opponents in an online arena. Let's see how my aim holds up. Alright, I might be a bit rusty at FPS games. I could definitely use some more practice. For FPS enthusiasts, this is truly a great option. The graphics are good. The gameplay is smooth. Battling online opponents is extra fun. Do you know what the best part of CrazyGames is? It's completely free. You don't need to pay for any games. No downloads, no mandatory registration. Just go to the site, pick a game, and start playing. It's that simple. And CrazyGames doesn't only work on computers. It runs great on your phone and tablet too. When you're bored, on the bus, at school, or during a break, you can enjoy gaming anywhere. My fellow gamers, what are you waiting for? Head over to crazygames.com and explore this amazing gaming world. Trust me, you won't regret it. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the CrazyGames introduction. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know your favorite CrazyGames titles in the comments. See you in the next video. Take care and stay gaming.